Hello Miss Amigos and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. I hope that you are having an amazing day. And today, here on top of my sewing machine, we're doing that again. I'm trying to get into the flow, and so I need to sew. That was so good. Oh my god. Sometimes I'm just so good at rhyming that I think maybe I should start rapping or at least writing more poetry, not just in the middle of the night. Be that as it may, yes, I still want to get better at sewing. I think my last sewing video was quite a success. If you haven't seen it yet, go watch it. Anyway, in that video, I wanted to do one more thing that I didn't get to do because I ran out of time. So today we are here for that. Maybe. Because first we got to do another project. A couple of weeks back, Naomi asked me if I wanted to, or if I could help her out with an outfit because it is too tight. Naomi ordered this outfit, which you can't really see. Can you see? This is the top. It is connected to this bottom. A skirt. And unfortunately though, it is way too tight on the top.
Hast du jetzt mein Outfit?
Nein.
Yeah.
Nein. The only way I could come up with to widen this top part, or the easiest way, let's be honest, I'm thinking of just cutting it open in the back. And if you've seen my last sewing video, I just want to put some grommets in there and tie it together. Because that way it's adjustable to whatever size you are. And since I've turned out to be such a professional at putting in grommets, that's why I want to do it that way. I was conflicted about what type of string or whatever I want to do. I settled on the fact that I wanted to go with a fabric and not with some sort of ready string, and I want to turn that fabric into a strap. And now, because the shops aren't open, I didn't want to order a lilac color like this, because if I were to do the straps in a lilac color, it would have to be the exact same color, and because I'm ordering online, I would not be able to fit this color perfectly. That's why I wanted to go with a totally different color, and hopefully it works. I got this minty color. First things first, we gotta cut this open in the middle. Let's move on to the floor. A favorite place. I'm gonna go in the middle of the straps. Maybe I'll turn it inside out. This is 16, so we got 16 more minutes in the game on. And go straight down. Wow, that was satisfying. Cool! Let's make a very pretty hem, okay? I mean, the person who made this dress didn't really do the most beautiful hems. I'm gonna do 2 top stitches, one up here and one on the bottom. Is it donuts?
Yes, it's donuts.
Guys,
I got donuts.
I need to stop working. We're getting donuts.
Donuts.
Donut time. Donutty. Donutty.
Hä? Das ist was anderes.
Where are the donuts
Sorry, guys.
that I was promised? It's dried apricot. I love that.
Hello.
Call me when there's actually donuts. Now can I please just stop making this face? I don't want to have to look at this anymore. So this is done. Now it's time to do the strap. So we're gonna have to cut a really long strip, as long as we can get. I think this is 1 meter long then. Then we're gonna put it right sides together, sew along it and turn it inside out. And then we've got a strap. That is the plan. Let's hope it works. Because I'm probably gonna die trying to turn it inside out, but I think that's part of the process of making straps.
It was kind of tricky to cut a super long rectangle out of this fabric because the fabric really didn't make it easy for me. But after approximately 4 hours and 86 seconds, I even managed to overcome this obstacle, and then all I had to do was put the fabric right sides together and sew a super straight line along it.
Okay, so I've sewn... Why are you so blue? I've sewn a straight line. I've also cut off the extra fabric, and now I'm gonna, well, take out the pins first. Time for the really scary part. Obviously, I have to turn this inside out now, which is not gonna be easy. Let's hope I won't fail. I've got a safety pin. I'm gonna put this safety pin into one side of this fabric. Without ripping it, I hope. Then we're gonna have to try and tuck it into the opening, into the tunnel basically that we've created, and push it right through. Hey, is this working? This is working. Yes, 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 it's working. Oh, it's working. Oh my god, thank goodness. Almost there. I can see the finish line. Yes. Ah! Yeah! We did it, guys. We did it. Now we gotta finish off the ends.
Nothing's gonna stop me now.
Nothing's gonna stop me now.
It's time to punch some holes. Alright, now I'm just measuring where I need to put the holes. Let's hope I can get through the thicker parts as well. So, one of you told me I'm supposed to use this punch outy thing with a hammer as well. Which, I've tried it, I just didn't show you guys on camera. It does not work. Did I not bring scissors? I'm so stupid. And we're done, and this is broken. Last step is to pull this through the holes.
Another example of a task that looks like it's going to take you about 10 seconds to finish, but really it's going to shorten your lifetime by many, many minutes.
This is what it looks like. I hope it also looks good when it's worn, because like this, I think it looks really cool. Alright, are we ready for project number 2? I haven't even told you what we want to do, have I? So far, I've tried making dresses, and I've tried making some more dresses, I've tried a pant, but I have yet to try sewing a bag or a purse. And so here we are today, and we're gonna attempt to sew a baguette bag, because I don't think it should be that difficult. But I'm saying that without even having started. The only thing I did do is I made a sewing pattern, and I hope it's gonna work.
And I created my sewing pattern with the help of a YouTube video by the, and please excuse my probably wrong pronunciation, vemos twins, which I'm gonna link in the description down below.
So this is the actual bag. Obviously I will have to cut it on a fold, so we have double that. And then I need this piece twice from both fabrics. Then this is the bottom and the side, so the bottom and the side. I will have to cut this on a fold as well. And then this is the strap, which I will only have to cut out of the top fabric, but obviously it has to be double that. I just couldn't print that out. I'm just gonna cut out this and cut it out of all of these things, and then I'll be back. Can I show this? Don't look.
I cannot believe we're actually watching Love Island. This is episode 8. We've already watched 7 episodes. Everyone fancies him.
Der atmet immer so viel. Wir reden die auch über nichts anderes, außer ob die einander mögen, oder?
Yeah. Oh my god, they're laughing so much together.
Here we've got all of the pieces that we need in order to sew the bag. Except for the strap, you will need to cut each piece out of both the lining and the top fabric, and you need to cut out the main body twice. Now onto the part that I've struggled with the most. It actually, and I'm not joking this time, took me about 3.5 Love Island episodes to perfect this. Namely pinning the 2 main body pieces and the side and bottom piece right sides together. However, whenever I found the middle of the main body and pinned it to the middle of the bottom and side piece, somehow I always ended up with more fabric on one side than the other. But through trial and error, eventually even I was able to pin it together perfectly, and then I had to repeat it for the lining, which was equally draining.
Is it finally donut time? Show me the donuts! Where are the donuts? I only see topping. 4 episodes later and I can finally start sewing. Holy shit. Why did that take me forever? In it, do you know what I mean? I'm gonna start with a strap because I'm just gonna sew this right sides together. Just a straight line. Gonna turn this inside out again, just like the other strap. Alright, we're gonna need that another day because we need the zipper first. Let's sew this. Please don't screw me over. Please don't screw me over. Yay! It worked. Now let's do the same for the lining and then we're done for the day. I'm kind of done with life as well. Pretend that didn't happen. I'm done. Hello, are you guys ready to finish this purse? Bag? Whatever. I grabbed my coffee to call up my own stupidity, so Here we go. I was gonna be all like, so we've got two choices for the zipper because I bought two colors because I wanted the purse to go really well with the dress. I thought, let's get one zipper that goes with the dress perfectly and one white zipper to just be safe in case the purse doesn't look good if the zipper has the color of the dress. Very confidently, I bought a white zipper and a pink zipper, for some reason thinking that the dress is pink. This dress is very much not pink. I guess we're going with the white one then. So to attach the zipper, we gotta turn the good fabric inside out, and the lining has to be right side out, because now we gotta put the good fabric into the lining so that the two left sides of the fabrics face each other. Now it's important that the right side of the zipper faces the right side of the main fabric. And then you just attach it to both sides. So this is what it looks like now. Can you understand what I did? So along here and here to secure the zipper. Now open up the zipper. And when we've opened the zipper, notice how there's still a hole at both ends of it between the zipper and the top fabric. That's where we pulled the strap through and sew it to the bag. But we're gonna do it from the inside right now so that obviously it is on the right side. Put the strap through the hole so that it comes out of this hole here, and do the same on the other side. Now top stitch here and on the other side, and then we're good. Let's see what happens if we flip this. Hey, it worked! Yay! This was so easy. I mean, the zipper is definitely too heavy for the purse, but other than that, it's a yay from me. Alright, let's be honest. If you want to try this, do it with a stronger fabric so that this doesn't happen. But it's a fairly easy and effective project. So if you're new to this, you could definitely do this because I was able to do this.
Mommy, are you ready for your secret reveal? To be revealed?
Secret? So they're not gonna see that, or?
No, it's gonna be revealed, but it's a secret.
Oh, you mean if I'm excited for the secret to be revealed?
Okay.
Not the secret reveal.
Your new old dress.
Ah, cool! Ich habe das passt nicht.
I hope you like it.
Hola, chiquita banana.
I'm worried about that you're gonna be demonetized because you can see my nipples very well.
I didn't see anything. Where are the nipples? I didn't see them.
I can't wear it because of the strap.
You did not tell me that this was a problem that I would have to
No, it was a
fix.
problem because I couldn't put it on before.
That is a good point. You have made an excellent point. Is it choking you?
No.
Then it's
A
cute.
little bit, but I like it.
Yeah, I actually don't care about the front. Ah, cute. Hola.
Look, my butt is jiggling
We,
so well.
we don't care.
You don't care?
We do, obviously, but not for this video. That's a different video.
It is. Catch it on OnlyFans.
Is that where OnlyFans
Yes.
is? And do you like the look of it?
The dress, yeah.
Oh, I don't care about it, yes! I like the color with it because the fabric also shines a little bit greenish. Do you want your surprise now?
A purse. A mini purse.
What? Oh my god!
Ooh, it looks so expensive.
Right? That's what I thought.
And it's stretchy.
Yeah.
It's cute. If I would go out wearing this dress, then I would definitely also wear this. And definitely not this.
No. Bad. Cute. You can even put stuff in it.
Not bad, Vincent. You're out here making accessories already.
Yes. Alright guys, that was an amazing project. That went really well. I'm gonna sell 10,000 of these purses and I'm gonna be rich in no time. Someone's jiggling their ass behind the camera. I don't know who it could be. Oh no, there she is as well. Thank you guys so much. I hope you're doing great. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Y entonces, nos vemos la próxima vez.